Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. I wanted to say vlog. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. So you guys, this will be the third time I'm filming this video. So the first time I did not press record on my phone. The second time I don't just like the quality, so hence why I'm here again. So you guys, as you can see from the title, this video is just me unboxing my birthday gifts, and this is like weeks after my birthday. Is it weeks? It's like weeks after my birthday. Let's just say weeks. I'm not sure, but yeah. So if you watched the last video, you know that I was not so excited about my birthday. Like it was as if I should just postpone the birthday. And why am I sweating? I'll be right back, guys. So guys, I went to bring out a fan. I don't know why it's so hot, but if you are hearing any noise, just ignore. So where was I? So I was not really excited about this birthday. I don't know, as if I should postpone the birthday, and we all know that's not possible, right? So like I just had to take pictures. If you have not seen the video, the link will be in my description, so just go and watch the last video. So let's fast forward to the morning of my birthday. For the very first time, I'm big on birthdays. I love birthdays. So for the first time ever in my entire life, I slept before 12. I slept like 9 p.m. and normally I'm awake by 12 because I like to pray like 12 o'clock for my birthday, and family and friends always call me like 12 o'clock. I slept like 9 p.m. and that was really weird because my sister called like exactly 12 and she was shocked, like why was I sleeping? But yeah, I slept really early. So let's move to like the morning. I woke up like 7 a.m. My mom went for workout as usual. Um I was not excited. I was still not excited about the birthday, but there's nothing I can do. So I just went about on a normal day. Me, my birthday, I'm not going to do any housework because it's my birthday. I'm supposed to be treated like a princess that I am or a queen that I am. Okay. So I just did the house chores. My mom was looking at me like, "Is everything okay?" So yeah, I finished the housework and just as I was pressing my phone, that was when I posted. I did not even post my picture on WhatsApp. I did on Instagram before WhatsApp. So I just posted, I just said thank you Jesus for life and everything. I posted that. And then my mom just entered inside and brought my birthday gifts. So the first gift I'll be unboxing, and to be honest, I've unboxed this already because I've worn it like 2 times already because I did not do my hair this week. So I've worn it like twice already, and she knew that I needed this. She knew that I've been complaining about this for the longest, that when I have like money I'm going to buy, because my mom and my sister sells hair. They sell hair. So the first gift I got was a bob weave. Can you guys see? I'm going to put a video of when she gave me like my reaction. I'm going to put a video on that. So this is the first gift. Period. And it's a bob wig. I don't know how many inches it is. I'm not good with hairs, you guys. Just my mom and my sister. So yeah, this is the first gift I got, and this is the only like physical gift I got. The remaining gifts were like mini. I was just receiving alerts left, right, center. That's it. Like after I got this set me like in the mood that okay, this is my birthday. And also the remaining gifts I got were cash, like transfers. I was getting credit alerts. I was just getting money. Like so far, this is the best birthday, like in money wise, because I got a lot of money. My best friend, guys, my best friend surprised me like with the amount of money she sent to me for my birthday, and I was feeling so special. So the money I use it to get gifts because I love when it's my birthday. The money I got for my birthday, I love seeing gifts and knowing that okay, this people thought of me when they were sending this money. So I just use the money. I don't know if you understand. I just use the money to get gifts that I can always look at and remember those that celebrated with me my birthday. So the first thing I got was, guess what? Guess what, you guys? The first thing I got was, I went to Austin 7070, and if you know the store, you know that all things camera, microphones, lights, makeup chairs, any gadgets, just Austin 7070, and it's in Abuja here. So I just went to the store and I finally got a microphone. I got a microphone, you guys, and I'm so excited. So my last birthday I got a microphone, but because I was dealing with like exams for final year exams, so I was not posting on YouTube. I was not filming anything for that last year, and the microphone I had was just a type C whatever. So when after school I was ready to get back to YouTube, right? I started YouTube and I changed my phone to like an iPhone, so I could not use the microphone anymore. The microphone is still here, like it's looking at me. I don't even know what to do with it. Well, yeah. So I got a microphone for iPhone, and this is how it is. Like, this is the charger and this is the microphone, and I don't know what this is called, but this is what you put into like your phone for it to work. I don't know what it is called, I don't know, but yeah, this is it. So we're going to try it out now. I have tried it, but yeah, we're going to use it for the rest of this video. So let us see if, so I'm going to turn this on. Can you see the light that is blinking? Yeah. So I'm going to put this and turn it on and use if, and I'm going to turn it on and see if it's going to work. It's going to work obviously, but yeah, we're going to use it for the rest of this video because the audio is going to be like, let us listen to it from this to this. So I think the video quality, no, the audio quality is great, right? So yeah, I hope you can hear me because there's a fan here, so if you are listening to any noise, just pardon me. So yeah, that's the second thing I got because I want the audio of my videos to be like 100%. So the next thing I got, on a normal day I don't wear wristwatch, but this year I want to change that because why won't I like wristwatch? Wristwatch, like anytime I wear wristwatch, it's always heavy. You guys, I don't know why my light just went off. I actually forgot that there was light and I was using my battery, and I used the battery yesterday to film like a get ready with me because there was no light and the light just went off. So what was I saying before I was rudely interrupted by these lights? So I'm not a wristwatch girly because it's always heavy on my hand. I just hated it. So the next thing I got was this wristwatch and these bracelets. So I love these bracelets. I don't know why. I love the bracelet. Let me put it over my white so you can see. Yeah, this is how the bracelet is. And don't worry, it's a fake. I cannot afford the original at the moment. So yeah, I got the wristwatch and the bracelet. So the next thing I got, why do I keep adjusting my hair and adjusting? So the next thing I got, because you all know that I've gone to camp and I'll be starting work really soon, and I needed some important things for me to be able to look good at work. So I got like 3 dresses from a vendor on Instagram. She's here in Abuja. So I wanted to get like 3 corporate dresses that I can wear to work and I can feel comfortable at work because I don't have much corporate wears. So the first dress I got already unboxed, I already opened it. It came sealed. So the first dress I got is a green dress, with a V neckline. This is the V neckline. So this is how the dress is. I already tried it on, so I'm going to insert a video of how it fits me. So the next dress I got is a blue dress. You know my best color is blue and white, and I'm putting on white right now. So the next dress is a blue dress, and it has this opening at the front. Don't worry, it's not showing my cleavage. Yeah. And then this at the hand that I can tie. And then this dress is having this right here. I don't know this English that I'm speaking, but just pardon me. Yeah, I'm going to insert a video of that as well. And then the last dress I got is a black dress. Is a black dress that has nets here and on the sleeve of it, and it has this whatever here. I'm going to insert a video as well. And then I don't know what this is called. This is not a button, but yeah, it has this here, and they are not really short, but they are like short dresses, but they are not short. I don't know if you'll see it on the video. So the next thing I got them from my mom, because like she just restocked on shoes, and I wore one of the shoes to church on Sunday, and the other one I wore yesterday because I filmed a get ready with me, and that was when I filmed this video that I'm filming again. I filmed it yesterday, but I don't like the quality of the video and the audio, so I just decided to film again. So the shoes, I got two black shoes because I love it. I got these shoes. They are so light and so comfortable, and is not too high. Can you see it? It's not so high. That is why I love it. Can wear it to work. I was so comfortable in church on Sunday, like I was not putting anything on my leg. So yeah, I got the shoes. But I don't know why I bought two black, but because I love it, that is why. So the last but not the least shoe I got. On a normal day, I don't wear this type of shoes. But like I said, this year I'm daring myself to do things that on a normal day I won't do. So the last shoe I got two shoes. What am I saying? The last item I got for myself are these, and I love these shoes so much. I really love these shoes. So yeah, I got these shoes, and they are not so high as well. I wore it yesterday for like the get ready with me, and it was so comfortable. On a normal day I won't wear this, but I want to start buying more of this. Like makes someone look more mature. Is that English correct? It makes me look mature. Let me just use that. So yeah, as you can see, I wore it already. But yeah, I love the shoes so much. And then I also wanted to get a bag, but fingers crossed I get it soon. My mom sells bags as well, and I saw one bag I really love, but I don't have money yet. So when I have money, I'm going to get it, and then a wig as well. So yeah, that's all the birthday gifts I got, and that really got me. Like I was so emotional. I was happy that okay, people actually really care about me, and made me forgot, and it actually made me forget what I was going through, like my birthday period. I was happy at the end of the day that because over my birthday I did not go anywhere. I was just sleeping like every hour, and then in the evening I just went out to get food for me and my mom because we are the only ones at home, right? So yeah, I'm just waiting to resume work, you guys, and I hope I have fun at work. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Have I offended you? Why you not subscribe? So just pause this video right now and go and subscribe. Are you doing that?
hit the subscribe button, and please share this video to your friends for them to watch as well. And if you watch this video to this point, thank you so much, and tell me congratulations, because our video quality is about to be like top notch. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah!